Meaning of geneticist.
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 Geneticist. A geneticist is a scientist who studies genes and heredity in living organisms. They examine the structure and function of DNA, analyze patterns of inheritance, and investigate how genetic variation impacts traits and diseases. Geneticists use advanced techniques such as gene sequencing and genome editing to understand genetic information. They work in a variety of settings, including universities, hospitals, government agencies, and private research institutions. Through their research, geneticists make important discoveries about the genetic basis of human health and disease, and develop new treatments and therapies to improve human well-being.